Hello friends, in this video I will guide you how to enable menu tab in appearance section. As you can see here, there is no menu tab available here because I have not activated any theme. So go to theme section. Now click on add new. Search for any theme here. For example, I am searching for Astra theme. As you can see here, there is available Astra theme. Click on install. And activate it. Now you can see here there is menu tab available, so you can click on menu tab and can change it according to your own need. Thank you.